Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduce my name Ahmun Yuliana from the Accounting Study Program, Faculty of Economy and Business, University Muhammadiyah Mitra. Here I will explain the room in my house. In my house there is a living room, the room, bedroom and kitchen. The first in the living room. In the living room there are red chair, table, flower vases, wardrobe and decoration. The second is the TV room. In the TV room there is a carpet, TV, table, cupboard, as well as clock and decoration. The third is the room. In my room there is a bed, a study table, a wardrobe and a door. The last one is the kitchen room. In the kitchen there is a cooking table, refrigerator, dining table and plate rack. So I can say thank you.